Okay, your website might not be broken, it might just be confusing. And in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you 3 hidden AI tools that can help a solo business spot friction, tighten the message, and turn random leaks into prioritized fixes. No agency, no giant analytics stack, just a smarter way to see what your visitors are getting stuck on. Open a tab and follow along, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tool fits your site, your budget, and your stage. Let's go. Quick reality check. Most AI website audit agent tools are not doing the same job. That's the whole thesis here. Some are great at outsider-style UX feedback. Some are better at pre-launch experience testing. One is really more of an AI website assistant that captures leads and answers questions. If you treat them like the same category, you'll buy the wrong thing. I tested this angle because a lot of solo founders don't need a full CRO suite. They need one clear answer. What should I fix first? Sound familiar? So the goal today is simple. We're matching the hidden gem to the exact use case, and I'll show you a fast workflow you can run this week. Source-wise, this is based on official product pages, public customer material, and public docs as of April 2026 where available. Pricing can change. And for a few of these, pricing wasn't clearly public at the time of research. That matters. Phase 3, Step 1. Engaged. Step 1, decide what kind of audit you actually need. Option 1, message clarity. Is your homepage instantly clear? Do people know what you do in 5 seconds? Option 2, experience friction. Does the page feel trustworthy, easy, and conversion-friendly before you spend money sending traffic? Option 3, visitor question handling. Are people landing on your site, getting stuck, and leaving because nobody answered the obvious question? That distinction saves money fast. I've seen founders stack 3 tools when the real problem was just unclear copy above the fold. Have you ever tweaked buttons for hours when the actual issue was your headline? Exactly! So here's the simple rule. If you want quick page critique, start with UserBird. If you want predictive testing before launch, look at Wevo. If you want to catch questions and turn them into leads on a live site, look at SiteSpeakAI. Phase 3, Step 2. Engaged. Step 2, use UserBird for fast outsider-style conversion feedback. UserBird is the hidden gem here for the solo founder who wants a page review without opening 5 dashboards. Based on its public positioning, it gives AI-generated website feedback focused on UX and conversion clarity, with action-oriented recommendations instead of raw analytics overload. That matters because most solo businesses don't need 15 charts. They need someone, or in this case, something, to say, your offer is vague, your CTA is weak, and your trust proof is buried. That's useful. My recommendation is to run it on one page only first, homepage or your main landing page. Time required, about 10 minutes to gather the feedback and translate it into a to-do list. Then sort the output into 3 buckets: message, trust, friction. Message is headline, subhead, and offer clarity. Trust is testimonials, guarantees, logos, and proof. Friction is buttons, forms, layout, and visual overload. Mini hook, engaged. In a second, I'm going to show you why that sort order matters more than the tool itself. One important limitation: public documentation for UserBird is lighter than mainstream competitors. So I wouldn't oversell its analysis depth without a live test on your exact page. Think of it as a smart first-pass critic, not a guaranteed source of benchmark truth. Phase 3, Step 3. Engaged. Step 3, use Wevo when you need pre-launch confidence, not just opinions. Wevo is different. It's built around AI-powered evaluation of digital experiences before launch, with predictive testing workflows and benchmark-style experience assessment. So if UserBird feels like a fast outside critic, Wevo feels more like structured pre-launch validation. This is where the category gets interesting. A lot of founders think the problem is traffic. Sometimes the page just isn't ready yet. Why pay for clicks before pressure testing the experience? Use case, you're about to launch a new service page, webinar page, or offer page. Run the page through Wevo before you spend on ads or email traffic. Time required around 15 to 20 minutes to prep, submit, and turn findings into revisions depending on your workflow. I think Wevo wins when the page matters enough that bad first impressions are expensive. But it's probably the worst fit for true bootstrap budgets because pricing is custom and sales-led rather than clearly self-serve low-cost. Pricing transparency matters. If you're a solo operator guarding every dollar, that's a real trade-off. Tone shift, building, odd. And this is the point where I changed my mind about these tools. The cheapest looking option is not always the best first buy. Sometimes the right move is not more audits. It's adding an AI layer that catches the questions killing your conversions in real time. Phase 3, Step 4. Step 4. Use SiteSpeakAI when the leak is unanswered visitor intent. SiteSpeakAI is not a deep technical funnel crawler. Important distinction. It trains on your website content, answers visitor questions, and can capture leads with handoff to email or human follow-up, embedded right on the site. That means its value is different. It doesn't primarily tell you your CTA is in the wrong place. It tells you what confused visitors are asking, and it keeps some of them from bouncing. For a solo service business, that can be huge. I almost dismissed this kind of tool at first because it doesn't look like a classic audit platform. Then I realized something practical. If 5 visitors keep asking the same pricing or process question, your site just handed you a prioritized fix. That's audit data hiding inside support conversations. Time required roughly 20 minutes to connect the content, customize the widget, and publish. Then watch the first batch of questions for patterns. Look for repeated themes, confusion about pricing, unclear turnaround times, missing proof, unclear next steps. That's not vanity data, that's your homepage rewrite list. What's the AI tool you'd never give up for improving your website? Drop it below. I'm especially curious if you'd pick page critique, predictive testing, or live visitor Q&A. Phase 3, Step 5, Engaged. Step 5, turn any tool output into a prioritized fix list you can actually ship. This is the part most people skip. Don't collect recommendations, rank them. Use a simple 3-part score. Impact on conversion from 1 to 5, ease of implementation from 1 to 5, confidence based on repeated evidence from 1 to 5. Add the numbers. Highest total gets fixed first. Example, weak headline clarity mentioned by UserBird, score it high. Repeated pricing confusion from SiteSpeakAI chats, score it high. A tiny footer redesign nobody mentioned twice, low score. Ignore it for now. That's how you avoid the trap of polishing low-impact details. And if you're a solo founder, this matters even more because your real bottleneck isn't ideas, it's attention. Mini hook, engaged? In the next section, I'll show you how to combine these tools without turning your week into software babysitting. Phase 4, multiplier. Engaged? Here's the multiplier. Don't use all 3 tools at once, use them in sequence. Week 1, run UserBird on your main page for clarity issues, about 10 minutes. Week 2, if that page is important enough, validate the experience with Wevo before a campaign, about 20 minutes. Week 3, put SiteSpeakAI on the live page and collect real visitor questions, about 20 minutes to set up, then passive learning after that. That sequence gives you something close to a lightweight solo founder audit loop. Critique, validate, capture. And yes, this is better than guessing. It also beats paying for a giant enterprise stack if you have a 5-page website and 1 main offer. My opinion, for most solo businesses, UserBird is the easiest hidden gem to start with. SiteSpeakAI is the smartest add-on if your site already gets traffic and questions. Wevo is the premium choice if a launch matters enough to justify a sales-led tool. So the fit is clear. Better than ChatGPT for page-specific critique if you want structured feedback, better than generic analytics if you need action before more traffic, and better than doing nothing, because at least now you have a system. If this helped you sort the category in a practical way, hit like. That helps this reach more founders before they waste money on the wrong audit stack. Mini hook. One last thing, because there is a catch almost nobody mentions with AI audit tools. Phase 5, reality check. The catch is simple. None of these tools replaces direct customer conversations, clean offer positioning, or real analytics forever. They help you prioritize. They do not magically know your market better than you do. And each one has a real limitation. Userbird, lighter public documentation, so verify depth with your own page. Wevo, likely harder on a solo budget because pricing is custom. SiteSpeakAI is stronger at Q&A and lead capture than deep page-by-page technical diagnostics. Bonus tip, if you only have 30 minutes this week, do this. Audit one landing page, rewrite one headline, and add one FAQ block based on real visitor questions. That alone can tighten a funnel fast. You do not need a giant team to make your website clearer. You need a sharper feedback loop. Start with one page, pick one tool, ship one fix today. Join the people who'd rather know what works than what's trending. Subscribe, because this channel is all about practical AI workflows and hidden tools you can actually use this week.